What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing KAKASHI CREWMATE from Among Us. Now we get started in the center of our page at the bottom edge of the headband. Let's start all the way over on the left side. We're going to curve up and then bend that down on the right. Let's add a fold along the bottom. Starting back on the left, curve this out and then bend that in. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to create an overlap on the side of the headband. So we're going to step out, curve out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And I'll connect the top with that same curve. You're going to go up, and then bend that back down. Now with the headband in place, let's move up and draw on the hair. We start from the top left corner, curve the hair going up and then out, and we'll taper that back in. Let's add another point going in the opposite direction. So starting up here, curve up and out towards the right, and then we'll taper that back down with a short line. Let's add a larger spike. Curve up and then out, taper that back in. Now we'll add another spike going up and all the way out towards the right side. Now we'll bring that in and then down. Now we're going to add another spike curving up towards the right, come down and in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to add one more coming down along the side. Go out and then down, and pull that up toward the top right corner of the headband. Let's add that metal plate in the center of the headband. From the top, we're going to step down, just follow that same curve going across, and it'll round out the side of the plate, going out and then in, leaving a gap along the bottom, going the opposite direction on the right. Connect the bottom with a curve, going up and then down. Let's add a small bolt on each of the four corners. So start with the top left, on the bottom, and then the right side. And then we'll add that symbol in the middle, stepping over towards the right. It's going to draw almost like a circle, but we're going to swirl this in and then up on the inside. Go to the top right, draw a short angle line going up. Let's move over towards the left, angle down and out, and then come straight in along the bottom. Now we're going to tuck the visor underneath the headband. Let's line up with this metal plate. Let's going to curve this out and then in towards the bottom. Let's go to the bottom right corner, come down and then in towards the same height. And we'll connect the bottoms with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add a shadow across the bottom of the visor. We start from the top left, come down, go across, and then pull that up on the right side. Let's go to the bottom left side of the headband, curve the body going out and then down to right about there. And we're just going to blend it to a curve coming down and in towards the bottom of the visor. Come down and then bend that in. And we'll wrap a thick collar around the side of the head. From the left side, we're going to step up, curve out and then down. Go to the right side of the visor, curve out and then down. Now from the ends, draw a straight line coming down. Let's connect the bottom of the collar with a curve. Come down the middle, and then bend that back up on the right. Let's leave a gap on the right side of the collar, step over toward the left. Just going to curve the collar coming in and then down. Go over towards the right side, curve in and then down. Let's line up with the left side of the head, come down underneath the collar, draw a straight line coming down towards the hip. Go to the right side of the visor, step down, draw another straight line. Now I'm going to connect the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's round up the bottom of the vest, starting on the left, curve out and then in. Do the same thing on the right, and then we'll connect the bottom with that same curve, coming down and then up. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the vest. Let's line up with the side of the body, come down and then bend that in. Go to the right side, line this up, come down and in towards the same height, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Come down and then up. Do the same thing on the right side, leaving a gap in between the feet. And then from the inside of the feet, we draw a straight line going up underneath the vest. Let's add the backpack on the left side. From the side of the collar, curve out and then down, come around, and then bend that in, come down and in towards the left side. Let's add that zipper in the center of the body. Right in the middle, we draw two lines, one on the left, and then one on the right. Let's line up with the bottom line on the left, curve out, and then back in, go to the right side, and draw that same curve. Now I'm going to add two pockets on the side of the zipper. On the left side, step out, draw a straight line coming down. The same thing on the right. Now from the bottom, we're going to follow that same curve, going out and then up towards the side. And then from the end, draw a straight line going up underneath the collar. Let's separate the pockets with two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Do the same thing on the right pocket. Now I'm also going to add a band going across the left leg. Starting from the top, we're going to step down, draw another curve, coming down, and then up on the inside. Let's move over towards the right side and draw a hand holding a dagger. We're going to start on the outside of the collar, start by curving up, and then down. Now we're going to round out the thumb, pull that up and out toward the top of the thumb. And we'll curl three fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, step down, draw that again. So we pull that up underneath the thumb. We'll do that one more time. Let's go up to the top finger, draw two straight lines, one on the left, one on the right. Close off the top with a curve. Now we're going to line this up underneath the bottom finger, angle down and out towards the side. And we'll pull that down and in toward the tip of the dagger. And then going back to the inside of the hand, curve this around and then out in behind the dagger. And then finally we'll separate the edge of the glove across each finger. Starting from the top, curve out and then back in. Line this up along the bottom. And then one more time. And that's pretty much it. There's Kakashi Crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.